Welcome to Learning to Drift Electric Shock Edition. So we're at drift school for obviously keep it Reet, one of the best drift schools around. We have to thank Calder Park and AASA for allowing us to run these events at such a low price. I've never drifted before. As you should know, I'm building a 2J drift car, so I should probably learn how to drift. Jai, who's behind the lens right now, has kindly lent me his 350Z. Every time I mess up, Jai's gonna shock me or Corey's gonna shock me. It's gonna be a time, so let's get right into it. Alright, so this is the electric collar. Turn it on and it goes green. That is now on. And we got our power settings from 0 all the way to 127.
So we're going 127 now.
Please no. Tested it with Corey, 40's like it's a bit uncomfortable, like so a bit like, oh, like 60 maybe, like I did something real wrong. I don't know. Don't hurt me, I'm scared. Anyway, let's put this on my arm. So another thing, you have to wear long sleeves in the car. So you won't see it on my arm, but it'll be underneath my long sleeve. So.
And what long sleeve are you wearing?
Oh, just the best of the best. The Keep It Reet LZ World Tour hoodies. These are our most premium hoodies to date. They are my favorite. Head over to keepitreit.com and get the latest merch. I'm stalling. Let's go. Let's put this on.
Well, I mean, we can always try to put it on your neck.
No, not happening.
Oh no, Josh has discovered the shock collar.
I can see him, he's nervous. Should I shock him?
Step 1, donuts.
I've only owned 4-wheel drives,
so you can do a donut. Get the car to the cone, wind up the lock, clutch in, rev, and I want you to dump the clutch. Easy. If it's not easy, I'll just motivate you with a bit of a shock collar.
Be nice to me. I'm nervous.
About driving or this?
I don't know what I'm nervous about.
Alright, let's do it. It's time.
As I sit in the line waiting for my first shot at drifting, I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little bit nervous. I've never even done a skid before, and now I have an electric collar strapped to me.
Clutching, and it gives a rev. We hold RPM. More, a little bit more. Yeah, and I want you just to dump the clutch and accelerate. Nicely done. Yeah, look where you want to go and play with the throttle. All right, stop. Yep. So, what was your problem? You tell me.
Not enough throttle at times.
Perfect. All right, let's try again. Did I do it? Yeah, alright. Over rotate it, but hey, the first time, killing it. Yeah, just go again same way. Smooth on the throttle. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. That's pretty good. My first time, donuts, killed it. Let's try the other way. Yeah, sick, nicely done. Alright, we're going 20.
Alright. Whoa. We are on. Let's try this again. So after feeling fairly confident about my first ever donuts, Jai has jumped out of the car. This time I'm on my own and I'm going the opposite direction. I didn't do it.
Oh, shall we do it?
Yeah. You bastard.
Oh, was that a mistake? Yeah, that's a mistake. All right, yeah, let's do it.
Oh, you bastard. Ah, stop. Ah, this sucks.
Oh, that is a mistake right here. Sorry, Adam. Come on, mate. Come on.
Surely
here we go.
Ah, the zap really hurts. I don't know when it's coming. I stopped because I was going to go off the grass and I still got shocked. I was doing the right thing.
All right, so we just changed the shock collar placement.
So uncomfortable.
Yeah, hindering his driving. All right, so now we're up to 30. Ready?
Oh. Okay, I can live with that for now. If they zap me whilst I'm driving, I'll probably clutch kick or something. I don't know.
Hey, it will double as a clutch kick. That's not a bad thing.
You can tell me when to clutch kick.
That is an awesome idea. Let's do that.
That felt good. Level 2? Huh? Level 2? 2? Do I go to level 2?
Yeah, I think you're ready.
Level 2, baby! Let's go!
I'll have to use a bit for this one. Do the same thing, counterclockwise. Do second gear, start off as a donut. As you get more comfortable, then you can go wide and just let the weight transfer when you lift off the throttle.
So I'm about to have a crack at figure eights. Now the stakes are a lot higher at level 2 because not only am I now in second gear, but I'm also drifting near a wall.
Go wide as you can. A little bit more aggressive as well. That was fun. Go wider, then give a bit more and back on throttle. We're turning it up, 35. Your problem is you're too eager on the throttle. Let the car settle a bit, then back on throttle. Might as well, I'll give it that. Nicely done though.
I got there.
Pretty good. Level 2, almost killed it. I think only zapped him like 3 times. Up to 40. And by the way, this thing goes up to 110.
Oh, yeah.
That is the second attempt.
Yeah, that's a zap. He's gonna shock. Right over the cone.
That is definitely a zap.
Where is it? The cone has disappeared.
You've gone backwards.
I need monkey in the car. Where's the cone? There's a cone somewhere on here.
Sure there's a cone?
Well, it's not on the track. All in all, not good. I sent a cone into oblivion. We have no idea where it's gone. Can't see it under the car.
I should find a shoot for it.
Yeah, not the best. We'll go again.
Alright, attempt number 3. Good luck.
So after that run, I feel like I've taken a couple steps back and I'm starting to get frustrated. I'm about to go out for my 3rd run and Jai's trigger finger probably isn't helping me in this situation.
Oh, not bad. Oh! Not sure it's
Oh, that was pretty aggressive on your clutch. I reckon that's a shot.
Yeah, alright, that's a shot.
Like, need new clutch after this.
Yeah. Oh. And
I'm only a child.
that was pretty good. That was pretty good.
They didn't zap me too much on that one. That was a lot better. That was a lot better. That was better.
That was much better.
Yeah, towards the end I knew what I was doing wrong.
I've been lenient on you. I got
I
got to 9 shots.
I was like, they're gonna shock me. And then nothing happened. And I was like, oh.
Rough on the clutch. That was a shock for me. You like bailing out, you know, nearly hit the grass. Shock for me.
Well, I failed out from the grass.
Yeah.
Because I'm a respectful drifter.
If you want, just go big track and send it.
We may as well just go send it over.
Yeah.
I don't know. I've done it once. I'm fine. I work for Keep It Reet, I can do what I want. I'm going to the next level.
my house.
I'm going to the next level. What am I doing, Josh? Still second?
Now we're just putting it all together. Off the line, hard, first, second, third. I want you to go wide and I want you to just pull the handbrake.
First thing I want you to do, I want you to rip that e-brake.
See what the car does.
Like before the corner? Or
Yeah. If it doesn't work out, the grey button is always here.
So now we're on the final stage of the day. I wanted to stay in second gear, whereas Jai is yelling at me to be top of third, entering into the corner. I never even entered into a corner. This is just not going to end well.
All right, ready?
We'll give it a red hot go.
Sick,
Yep.
we good? Let's do it. More, handbrake.
You
We
threw
did
me,
it!
you threw me in the deep end.
That was cool. All right.
Too fast.
So what was the problem was
I want to go slower.
way too much steering.
Yeah.
Right? If it's any normal drift car that's on a normal like lowered height, you'll lose like bumpers and everything. This thing is like don't care.
I'm glad you don't care.
I'd be nice right now. I could have just pushed this button, but I didn't.
Hey, I committed. I went for it. Oh, I don't know if I should be listening to you.
Drag more. Then go wide.
He's a hard teacher.
I think it's pretty obvious that I'm definitely out of my comfort zone.
Okay. Got no Uncle Mungie yelling at me this time.
Yeah, go harder.
Gonna keep doing what he said. Top of third, handbrake entry.
Oh. Hard on throw. I like that.
Oh, we're in the dirt.
All right, that's the shot.
Too much commitment. I'm disappointed.
It was like entry was solid though. It was good.
Yeah, no, I can work from there.
The hardest part's done. Now just like the little things.
Yeah. Alright, let's do it. Let's link this whole track. I spat out on the last corner. Oh, I had it.
Just ran out of talent.
Too much lap pedal at the end, but I didn't jump the car, money.
Saw the front.
Oh, it went up over the curb.
No, that's clipping point. That's what you want. Yeah.
Right on the line.
No, that was sick. Well done.
Thanks, mate.
Now just gotta keep doing it.
So here I am doing lap after lap, spinning out, jumping the car, in the dirt, in the sand. It was all a mess. And then on the last lap, the Mighty Z that had put up with so much abuse said no more.
Be done to my baby.
Shock him.
I need to shock him now.
Span, I just put clutch in and just let it slide, and then it just started knocking. So I just cut it.
Knocking.
Yeah. Knocking.
What have you done?
I was paying attention to the oil pressure and the temps and everything, they're all fine.
I mean, the amount of time you jumped it today.
Alright, I think it's only fair. I've broken his car, the electric collar's back on, and I've given him permission to turn it up as punishment.
Yeah, alright, so what are we on now?
140. We'll go higher than that.
We go higher. Alright,
Yeah, come on, mate. Don't you want to? It's already like tingling.
90?
What, don't you want to
90?
inflict pain
You
with
want
your
to
car?
die?
Come on.
3, 2, 1. It was just no joke. I guess.
Alright.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Poor Z. Oh, it's such a beautiful car. I'm so sorry. It did well. I don't have it on anymore.
No,
Things in
you were like,
between.
you were 90% there, to be fair.
But overall, I enjoyed it. I feel really bad about the car.
That's alright, I enjoyed it too.
But I liked it, so that's all good. That's it for this one. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Are we ready? For the big guy, Adam Reet.
Worst driver of the day.
Hey!
If nobody knows,
Poaching Jai's car.
Adam today was wearing a shock collar. And every time he got it wrong, Jai shocked him on the car.
yeah, that's great.